Every day, students and professionals are handed mountains of textbooks, research papers, and legal contracts. We are expected to process hundreds of pages of information. The problem is that while our access to digital information has scaled to infinity, human reading speed hasn't changed at all. You can download a 50-page report in a second, but it will still take you hours of exhausting physical effort to actually consume it. What if the answer isn't forcing yourself to read faster? What if you could bypass the physical constraints of reading by changing the way that information is delivered to your brain? This document shows the audio overview feature in Google NotebookLM. You upload your document, even a 200-page text, hit one button, and the AI generates a full, customized podcast where two realistic hosts discuss your material, explaining the core ideas in simple language. Instead of staring at a screen until your eyes ache, you can absorb complex academic or professional material through your headphones while you commute or go for a walk. This removes the primary logistical barrier. By converting a 500-page obstacle into a 20-minute conversation, you can spend your energy engaging with the concepts rather than just trying to survive the reading list. The process starts with ingestion. You can drop up to 50 disparate sources, PDFs, web links, Google Docs, and even YouTube video transcripts into a single workspace. The AI instantly links all these separate files together, treating them as one cohesive, searchable knowledge base. At this point, you might wonder why you shouldn't just paste your text into ChatGPT or another open web AI. Looking at this comparison between NotebookLM and ChatGPT, we see the critical difference. NotebookLM operates as a closed-loop system. It acts like an expert who has read exactly what you gave it and nothing else, completely ignoring the open internet. Because it is restricted to your specific files, it does not hallucinate facts. Whenever it answers a question, it points you directly to the exact paragraph in your uploaded material. This restricted architecture removes the unreliability of standard AI models, creating a tool you can actually trust for rigorous academic study and professional research. The ability to turn text into audio was a strong starting point, but the 2026 updates expanded NotebookLM far beyond podcasts. This feature log details the addition of cinematic video overviews. The AI can now synthesize your raw text and generate an immersive, fully animated mini-documentary about the topic. Here in the feature list, we see it also instantly translates your uploaded research into full presentation slide decks. For students, it automatically extracts key concepts from a syllabus to generate customized flashcards and interactive quizzes, eliminating the manual work of building study guides. This turns the software into a multimodal hub. It takes the same raw data and reconstructs it into different formats, allowing you to switch between reading, watching, or listening depending on the context. Professionals are already building entirely new workflows around this. Lawyers are dropping complex legal contracts into the system to get rapid audio summaries on their drive to the courtroom. Scientific researchers are uploading dozens of dense academic papers simultaneously, asking the AI to find consensus across the literature and extract the necessary citations. Students are feeding in their entire syllabus, turning weeks of stressful highlighting into an effortless audio study session for the gem. As highlighted in this breakdown, this entire suite of enterprise-grade tools, completely integrated with Google's Gemini infrastructure, requires absolutely no subscription. It is completely free. To reclaim hours of your week, simply go to notebook.google.com, sign in with your standard account, and upload your first document. Struggling to extract data from raw text is an obsolete choice. The most productive people are simply letting AI mold the information to fit their lives.